In this video, I'll be telling you how you can make money with Canva templates. So I'll be telling you 3 secret websites which you can use to make money with Canva. So if you don't know what is Canva, Canva is an online graphic design and publishing platform that allows users to create logos, posters, social media posts, GIFs, and much more. With thousands of templates and images, Canva is a lifesaver for non-designers and beginners looking to produce enchanting and eye-catching graphics effortlessly. So the whole idea is basically you can use all these templates and you can sell these templates on different marketplaces. The most common marketplaces are Fiverr and Upwork, where there is a lot of competition. Frankly telling you, there is a lot of competition. If you go and find a graphics designer, you will see there is a lot of competition, and if you come try to beat these guys, it's going to be very difficult for you. So what you can do, I'm going to give you 3 secret websites. So the first website which I'm going to tell you about is called remote.co. Yes, this is again a website like Fiverr and Upwork where you will find a lot of different works. So what you have to do, this particular website, they provide different remote jobs. So as you can see, there are remote jobs for virtual assistants, developers, online editing jobs. But what we are looking for is where we can use our good old Canva. So we are looking for remote design jobs. Yes, so just click on that and we can find the job which we can fulfill using Canva. So Canva is super easy. You can just create any logo, any graphics, and you will find different templates as well. Let me show you one template for, let's say, logos. Okay, we click on create a blank logo. So you see all these different templates are available. You just have to click on that and just edit it, and you can just submit it over here. So you just have to go through this website, find the work. Let's open this one. What they're asking, graphic designer. It says location remote US, salary, it doesn't say anything. It says graphic designer, remote, full-time design, mid-level. So it's the name of the company, Siege Media, and responsibilities: design in post images for blog, resource page content, align images and all that. And you will also, not only you will find these full-time jobs, but you can also find some part-time, just assignment-based jobs which you can fulfill like this. Let's see, it says part-time freelance. So what you will do: lead design project, develop high quality graphics for presentation, present ideas, solution, and all that. So yes, this is a very good website, and based on the design, you can find a particular suitable job for you, and you can fulfill it using Canva. So now the second website which I want to tell you about is called peopleperhour.com. So just type that in and it will come. So here also it's a where it's a website where you can find freelance jobs. So let's say it says logo design. So this is one of the popular category. Let's click on that, and boom, these are the price points: $30, $20. Design logo. Well, I think these are the ones which people are putting up. Yeah. So this is so much people are charging for the design, right? So let's open this one. What they are saying: design logo with 3 inch all quality work. Yeah. So here also you can just publish your profile, just create an account on this website, sign up as a freelancer, and submit what you can do, and you can get all the things from Canva. The third website which I want to tell you about is called dribble.com. So here it says discover the world's top designers and creatives. Dribble is the leading destination to find and showcase creative work and home to world's best design professionals. Again, just sign it up over here, and you can just submit your design and submit, create your account, create a profile, and see from like this you can just publish what you can do, right? So the here you may not find that much competition as compared to Fiverr and Upwork. And Canva is a great application that requires no technical expertise and can be learned professionally in just few days. So it's a great solution to create templates, graphics, designs to create and sell your products. So these are the three websites which I want to tell you, using which you can make good amount of money using Canva. So the link to Canva will be in the description down below. You can sign it up, play around with it, and create a profile on these websites and start getting the jobs, start getting the assignments. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Cheers.